Mind your P's and Q's, mastering British English fillers. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our exciting journey of learning English. Today we're venturing into the beautiful lands of the United Kingdom as we discuss the topic of fillers in British English. Fillers, in case you need a quick reminder, are those little words or sounds we use when we're thinking, pausing, or hesitating in conversation. Fillers are a fascinating part of any language. They don't carry a concrete meaning by themselves, but they are essential for maintaining the natural flow of conversation. For instance, when you need a moment to recall a word or gather your thoughts, you might use a filler to avoid uncomfortable silence. Different cultures and languages have unique filler words. In British English, there are several common fillers we're going to explore today. Let's delve into the exciting world of British English fillers. Here are some common ones you might encounter. 1. Or These are very common and are used when someone is thinking or hesitating. 2. Right. This is used to signal understanding, agreement, or the start of a new topic. 3. Well, often used at the start of a sentence, indicating the speaker is about to give some thought to their answer. 4. Used to ensure the listener is following along or to emphasize a point. 5. This filler is used when the speaker is clarifying or elaborating on a point. Now that we know some common British English fillers, let's see them in action. 1. Or I think it's on the tip of my tongue. 2. Right. Let's get back to the topic at hand. 3. Well, it's a bit more complicated than that. 4. It's not as easy as it seems. 5. I'm quite good at it. I've been practicing for years. And that's it for today, folks. Hopefully, you've got a better understanding of the different fillers used in British English. Remember, using fillers properly can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Don't forget to practice using these fillers in your everyday conversation. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.